Hello, students. In the last session, we discussed about simple prefix B plus tree and its maintenance, right? In this session, we will learn how to load a simple prefix B plus tree. And we will compare all the various trees which we have already learnt about, like B tree, B plus tree, and this simple prefix B plus tree. Okay. Building a simple prefix B plus tree is through a series of insertion, splitting, and redistribution. But these are very expensive. This involves searching down, that is, for each insertion or deletion, you have to search down through the tree for inserting and then reorganize the tree as necessary on the way back up, that is for arranging the index. You have to arrange the index back. So we will consider a random order insertion here. Okay, to create or load the simple prefix B plus tree, we begin by sorting the records that are to be loaded. That is, first we will sort the records, then only we can guarantee that the next record we encounter is the next record we need to load. Okay, now working with the sorted file, we can place the records into sequence set blocks one by one, and then starting a new block when the one we are working with fills up. Okay, now and then we collect the separators into the index set block that we build and hold in memory until it is full. Okay, this figure shown here has four sequence set blocks, as you can see, that have been written out to the disk, and one index set block, which is that index set block. It has ALW, ASP, BET. That is the index set block. Okay. Okay, and it has the shortest separators there, and it is derived from the sequence set block keys shown below. Okay, next the next sequence set block consists of a set of terms ranging from catch through check, and therefore the next separator is cat, which is shown to the right side of this figure. That is one block which we have to load, and that is the next sequence set block, and the separator is cat there. Okay, we need to start a new index block now. We cannot place the separator cat into another index block at the same level as the one containing the separators, that is this separators ALW, ASP, BET, because we cannot have two blocks at the same level without having a parent block. Okay, so you cannot place this separator cat into this block given in this figure. So you have to construct one more block. When you construct one more block, if you want one more block, what you have to do? See to this diagram here. So we promote the cat separator to a higher level block as shown in this figure. Hence, we build two levels of the index set in memory as we build the sequence set. That is, see that catch to check is loaded into the sequence set, and the separator, that is cat, CAT, it is placed into the root index block there. Okay, this is what you are doing. After adding more sequence set blocks, the figure shows how it grows. This figure shows how the sequence, the tree prefix, simple prefix b plus tree grows there. Okay. Now, okay. See to the sequences here. Now you have how many blocks? 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks. You have 4 blocks, and the parent of this 4 block is this block, index block here. Okay, and this index block, what is this? These are the separators. That is AL is the first separator from where you got this AL, this one. The second block here, from this block, you have AL separator which is placed here, and the position is given here, that is 0, 0, which position it occupies, the separator occupies. Okay, and then the next one is next separator is given here, WASP, that is W, and ASP, actually it is ASP. Next separator is ASP. First separator is ALW. I'm sorry, the first separator is ALW, that starts from 0, 0. Okay, ALW. And the second separator is ASP, which starts from 0, 3. That means the second separator starts from 0, 3. And the third separator here, from in this block, you can make out that the third separator starts with the position 6 there. Okay, similar way you have one more index block here for these what blocks shown here, that is catch to check, class to copy, cost to damage, delete to disk. These are the keys of the records. Okay, a number of records are there. Now when you want to load these particular 4 blocks, before that you have a separator here, isn't it? Catch. This separator you have to load it to the root there. Okay, as we discussed in the last figure, this has to be loaded into the root there. Okay, again after loading these blocks till delete to disk, next what you have to do, next for the next loading, you have to include one more index block here. Okay, now before that, first separator, that is dr, you have to store it to the higher root here. Okay, higher root. And then the second this separator between this block and this block, that is EF, is placed in this block here, and the position is 0, 0. The first separator is in position 0, 0. Second separator, which is the second separator, it starts from the position 0, 2. That is from H. Okay, what is the second separator between this and this? It is H, and the next separator is IG, third one, that is starts from 0, 3 position. Okay, this is how the blocks are loaded into the simple prefix b plus trees. Okay, next we will see the comparison between b trees, b plus trees, and simple prefix b plus trees in perspective. That is these B trees, B plus trees and simple prefix B plus trees we have discussed in our third and fourth module, right? Now we will see how it is combined, what is the difference and what are the common characteristics of these trees. Okay, some common characteristics of B tree, B plus tree and prefix B plus trees are first is that it is a paged index structure which provides broad and shallow trees structure, so that you need only few seeds to the disc. Okay, second common characteristic is that it is a height balanced tree. All these three are height balanced trees. And the third characteristic is that these trees are grown bottom up and the balance maintained through block splitting, merging and redistribution. That is what we have studied these block splitting, merging and redistribution in each of these trees, isn't it? That is the maintenance of tree, how to maintain the tree. Under that you have studied this block splitting, merging and redistribution. Okay, next common characteristic is that it provides greater storage efficiency. That is this greater storage efficiency is achieved through splitting and redistribution. By splitting and redistribution you can achieve this greater storage efficiency. Okay, and it can be implemented with the virtual tree concept. All these trees can be implemented as virtual tree concept, and it is adapted for use with variable length records. The length of the, that means the length of the records doesn't matter in creating these types of B trees. Okay, now B trees. Okay, the B trees we learned is a multi-level indexes to data files that are entry sequence. Entry sequenced means, see, when you add or when you enter some records, these records are placed in the order in which you have entered. Understood? That means we are not going to maintain any specific order for this file, like ascending order or descending order. No, we're just maintaining the record as it is entered into the file. Okay, that is called entry sequence. Okay, what is the strength of this B trees? It is the strength is the simplicity of implementation, and it is efficient during indexing, and maximization of the breadth of the B tree. That means the level is less in B trees. The weakness is excessive seeking necessary for sequential access. That is, if you want to access sequentially, then you have to seek more. Since it is entry sequenced, it is we need more seeks to access it sequentially. Okay, now B trees with associated information, those B trees that contain record contents at every level of the B tree, that is key and the associated information are placed together. In those kind of B trees, the strength is can save up space. That means no additional storage for separators. We need not keep separate storage for separators here. But the weakness is it works only when the record information is located within the B tree. Otherwise, too much seeking is involved in retrieving the record information. Okay. Next is B plus trees. In B plus tree, all the key and record information is contained in a linked set of blocks known as the sequence set. Okay, indexed access is provided through the index set. That means you have a sequence set, and upon that you have the index set, and you are accessing it through this index set. Advantage over the B tree is that the sequence set can be processed in a sequential way. That means the records are arranged sequentially. Easily you can access it sequentially. Okay, index is built with a single key or separator per block of data records rather than with one key per data record. And here the index is smaller and hence it is shallower. Okay, next is the simple prefix B plus trees. Here in simple prefix B plus trees, what we did is we used separators in the index set as index set instead of the actual keys, isn't it? Why? Just that it is that the said that the actual keys will take more storage compared to this separator. Separators, we always select the shortest separators for the index set so that you can save the space for the index set. Okay. The separators in the index set are smaller than the keys in the sequence set, and it can pack more separators into block, higher branching factor out of the block. Tree is even smaller, that is compared to simple B trees and B plus trees. This simple prefix B plus trees is even smaller. So we can say what B tree, what it does, it maintains the entry sequenced this one and records. Okay, so it is difficult to access, get the sequenced records easily from B trees. In the B plus trees, what you did is you created index set of actual keys upon the sequence set, right? And in simple prefix B plus trees, this index set, in the index set you used what the separator, that is which takes less space than the keys. You built the index set with the separate. This is what all these trees are about. Okay, now in the next module you have one more concept, that is hashing, which will which is more advantageous than these trees, that is B trees or B plus trees or simple B plus trees. The accessing is more faster compared to these trees, which we will be discussing in the next module. Okay, thank you, students.